fikira mandeha aiza mitovy raha teo hoe testary ato mbola mandeha
mitovy raha teo ny
iany za de oizy izy avereniny eo antsy tsisy valany tsony efa isy zany efa isy zany
de atisy teo aloha ty fa tsy mifekira mandeha nefa ny eto tsy mandeha koa
zaho any ambony de zay testany ambony de
aiza mifrisy ty mandeha so de efa mandeha any ty tamin'iny zany teniteny tetika le izy ka voayan'ireo tany fa tsy mpahiobona miteny hoe ianao ty ny feo anareo izy danger zany teko mihitsy te manomboka aloha tena mala be de be ny asaka ao za moa miteniteny eta za tsisy amalina fa allo allo test mandeha sa tsy mandeha raha miteny eo kosa aloha après niny tsy misy recordina le izy teo mahazo tsy menandrakorony zareo rehefa le anatra nao zany le avy manao an'le fotoana adiny ray adin'lay maireny averenina izy tefa tsy fika Can you hear well? I greet particularly my beloved Father YAHVAH, it's Elia, and I greet particularly YAHOSHUA, it's Elia. So we are back to the moment to give a prayer, to that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, so that they will give a healing. The words of Elia is so direct, so straight. Okay, there is a cutting, but we immediately continue it. Glorifying that YAHVAH, that is the most important, and for his beloved son YAHOSHUA. So the moment for today, as it is already said, a healing prayer. It should have been along this. There is a reason, and if YAHOSHUA make it, there is a reason. We already know that the Holy Kingdom of YAHOSHUA, it's not about healing, that everyone stands for that, but when there is a time that YAHOSHUA gives it, it's YAHOSHUA's. It's not for Elias, but it's for YAHOSHUA, because the Holy Kingdom is his, the authority and the power is theirs. It's that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. So it's clear that everything depends on them. So if there is the healing prayer, it is directly we're doing it with that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, and Elia is just following them. So for you who are sick, so I directly say to you, because it's already 7:45, so you have 15 minutes that you will begin at 8 o'clock, but I enter before. You have to get ready. It's not for an interest to get along with YAHOSHUA. It's not for looking for anything, but those who really loves YAHOSHUA, they have their part in YAHOSHUA. It's like that. It is in YAHOSHUA the healing, but you don't stand firm for that. But if at the time that you need it, and YAHOSHUA gives it, and those who wish it, they will receive it. But if you don't wish it, so you don't need it. But remember that at the time you will look for the love of YAHOSHUA, you will not find it anymore, because the time he gives, you don't need it, and you will not receive anymore at that time. I repeat again, it's not for interest, but that you are really thirsty to look for that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, and the household of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, those who are looking for his glory, I give you a moment at 8 o'clock. So I get back again after 13 minutes. So before beginning, let's play the song of ZHYAH, so that this world will listen and they will hear the song of the glorification of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Okay, let's begin.
Atarido sulla faga, fino YAHOSHUA. Azaye, kuwaza dinuwa, fana de la vichano, azadinu, iti malalano. Amagayano, amina ni vatano. If I day is Santa Child, Yasaramo YAHOSHUA, and yanking a cool, like young took a night and go away. YAHOSHUA, Malalaku, till I reach a lonely fool, sing for night. Sai cùng nhai na la vi trong mùa YAHOSHUA tu ra va pona la tisiano farandi ricusa mi leggi non ha te mai cui fare ma sapete da fuffe non veggio ma io le fammi siano.
Timate un poco, fama finalita no, Rama suno wini, timbawa di nukyu, Mami lu cho nó YAHOSHUA lại phi cha vào lối chỉ mai chu vali của cả zaman này yêu nó nu amo isa kunyak và giờ YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you so YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you I love you Ni yari chamo ni zaga ni ma phim ni rana la ze không bao ai sẽ tin u quy rê ni manja matia tumpu mami lu cho nó YAHOSHUA lại phi cha vào lối chỉ mai chu vali của cả zaman này yêu nó nu amo isa kunyak và giờ YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you so YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you I love you Father YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you so YAHVAH now I love you YAHOSHUA I need you I give you my soul now, take me further. Building the fire, fire, YAHOSHUA. Down on my face, as I'm in fire is in magic and soon way my land. La tunja fit now, YAHOSHUA. But I'm a ninja like Unikazu. Don't die, Matalazu. You know me, Kulu Kulu. Then I will magic and soon way my land. Tanikara kaina Indonesia. Anju malu kaca ita na savana. Oh, tunja iyo YAHOSHUA. Bamira pira jati tunja. Tunja ni fasu avano tunja. Fitiava la marubeza tunja. Atalana ti si fecha, amamina ti si farana. Oh, tunja. Tunja ni fasu avano tunja. Fitiava la marubeza tunja. Matuki safati safaka mecha Lafiti efa awampu mitwecha Siwazu na fanala Fa uvu taku na fanan Hadeti usafa pona Ilai sava pwajinu wajina ujisuki Suki YAHOSHUAH befitia YAHOSHUAH Mamira pira jati tunjai Tunjani faso avano tunjai Fitiava la marubesa tunjai Atalana ti si fecha Amamina ti si farana Tunjai Tunjani faso avano tunjai Fitiava la marubesa tunjai Atalana ti si fecha Amamina ti si farana Atalana ti si fecha Amamina ti si farana If I listen no one forcing inside Hey, listen no YAHOSHUAH Yang no yang one safidiko If I listen no hankun fitiavaku Hey, listen no YAHOSHUAH Yang no rirwan tingmamanaria If I listen no one forcing inside listen no YAHOSHUAH Yang no yang one safidiko If I listen no hankun fitiavaku Hey, listen no YAHOSHUAH Yang no rirwan tingmamanaria Timbulong
So we're with at the moment, for this moment, we have been listening to the song of the celebration. Do you hear well? So we are going to begin for about the words. Why there is a disease, and where does it come from, and what is dangerous? It's a pandemic. What will happen? And it's about that I am talking with you for this moment. That's what I am going to let you know. Can you hear me well? We're going to read the words in the book of Ezekiel, chapter 14. And the verse 19 that we're going to read, Ezekiel chapter 14 verse 19. Or if I send a plague into that land and pour out my wrath on it through bloodshed, killing its people and their animals. So there is a plan. Words that YAHVAH has said that he's going to send a plague into that land. In the verse 21, Ezekiel chapter 14 verse 21. For this is what YAHVAH sovereign says. How much worse will it be when I send against Jerusalem my force with full judgment, sword and famine, and will pest and plague, to kill its men and their animals, even it's the Israel, to send this word. It's a danger, a furious with the human. Everyone will be stricken with that. What is that danger? That is the plague, the pandemic. That's really dangerous. The way on this planet Earth is going to be harder. It's getting harder. Human's way, it's getting harder. Let's read the book of Luke in 21, chapter 21, Luke chapter 21, verse 10 and 11. Luke chapter 21, verse 10 and 11. Then he said to them, nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be a great earthquakes, famines, and pestilences in various places, and fearful events and great signs from heaven. We will not talk about it. Maybe tomorrow that we are going to talk about this. What will happen on above that? It's really a fearful. What a sign from heaven. I have explained it before about shaking of the earth and people a headache and so on. The headache is going to spread. It's logic. The earth is shaken and you were staggering on it. That kind of disease is going to strike you and it will not stop anymore. So it's the disease that we are going to talk here. That is because of your sin. Then the anger of that YAHVAH, it's you who sinned. But Elia asks Yahushua for those who are looking for the God who will heal them. I am talking particularly for the small lambs of Yahushua that will revive in you. If you are really working through the love of Yahushua, everything you can have. If we are talking about healing, even if you were not a small lambs of Yahushua, but you are still a set of this kingdom, but you were hearing me and you wish and you like, so that Yahushua will show you his love. That's what I say. If you want that Yahushua will show his love to you and you want to be healed and you will know that he is the real Savior, and you will receive your part from him. But it depends on you. Why does Elia say that? Because it's so many that you don't care about Yahushua, and Yahushua is only a words. But if there is someone who wanna get along with us. It's not time yet to close the gate. Or if I am talking particularly for Malagasy people, that on March 8th 2026 it will be closed and there is no solution anymore. That's why I am still opening the gate. At March 8th 2026 there is no solution for you anymore, but you will see all problems, danger, what I've been told here, and even you Malagasy people, you are going to see the worst, but you will not take anything. Even you will see that the owner of the key, that it is Elia, that you don't hear. It's like Israelian who didn't listen to Yahushua, and it's the same picture. But what is not, what makes it different? It's different. The stories and the time of Elia, the one who is going to take revenge, and to take revenge of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. That makes it different. So, okay, that is just an introduction, but we are going to pray. I wish you so that you will receive the the healing, the peaceful from YAHOSHUA, and that is the praying that Elia is going to do it for you who are wishing it. But if you don't want to wish it, if you don't wish it, listen to another thing. But it's not okay for you to listen. It will create a problem for you. But go listening to another thing, because it's not okay anymore. Now it's not time to caress anymore, but you will take part for what you have done. Caressing, you will not see that anymore. Even if you were another nations, we never caress anyone. If you listen to, that's good. If you don't listen to, we don't care. That's what is happening. So take revenge of, take the result of what you have done. Because if you don't want to listen to it, why do you listen to it? You just wasting your time. Immediately we're going to sound the destruction. That's why it is the why see the danger and the take shelter. That, and after it will be a medicine after death. That is it. Let's pray for the healing your disease, because that is the program for today. A healing prayer to heal all diseases and everyone who are listening me around this world, wherever they are. That today I'm speaking in Malagasy. I don't know how to speak in French like those who are speaking it fluently. Yeah, at that time I will speak that, but let me think about that. But for this moment, let's do it. Let's do it in Malagasy. But in case there is foreigners who are listening to this prayer, there is a power in the words in them, and the words of Elia has a power in all barriers that my dad are created. My dad's created. In case there is another nations, the foreigners. So it's better that you put all the letters in translations. So you change it into Chinese, into it's a little bit. It's a little bit difficult for them to translate it, because there is a power in the prayer. But if in case there is a translation, but if there is a translators, let them do it. Let them do it, because if there is no translators, they will not be able to see it. But let them translate it. It's my Yahoshua's, my beloved Yahushua, to program it, so you can translate it. Just follow it as I said, so that you will be a healing for those who are listening, because it will be danger. What will happen? And it's not will be a long time, but it will be sooner. It cannot be healed by medicines anymore. The things that what will happen, even the doctor will take care of the people at that time, they will be died. But it's difficult to protect yourself at that time. But the key is at Eliah. I repeat again, always I repeat again, the key is with Eliah. It's not with the doctor or with anyone else. Even those who will touch that, they will die. But the key is with Eliah. Eliah, the one that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA has sent, because it's time for the revenge, and there is no power or authority to go against that, because that is from YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Who among you can manage that? How can you change the word from YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA? Even that cannot be changed. Even I have said to you the things what will happen, but I really say it, and I repeat again, do I see the danger and they take shelter, but to fully keep going and they face the consequences. It's normal they take an revenge because there are many words that has been sent to you, but you don't care. So it's normal that the distraction are going. Glory be to beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Let's begin the prayer. If you are ill, go on the floor. Don't stay in your bed. If it's still possible, go on the floor and you worship. You kneel, you worship. If you cannot worship because of your health, just sit down. Put like blankets. If it's still possible, don't stay up, but it's better to stay on the floor so that YAHOSHUA will see you that I am here, YAHOSHUA. I am honestly in you. It's Him. He is the owner of the healing. If He is doing it, no one can stop it. So if it's really impossible for you to get down because of your problem that you cannot, because it's really danger, it's really impossible for you to go on the floor, you can stay at where you were. Maybe you were at the hospital and you were waiting for the death. If you are hearing me, so that you will know that ZHYAH is the owner of the destruction of the death. If you hearing me, that will be destroyed, so that you will know that Eliah is the owner of the life. In case after 30 minutes they will die, if they hearing me, the death will strike them. Eliah has thrown it into hell, so that you humans, you know that Eliah has the power with death, and you and we know everything. My dad know everything. YAHOSHUA knows that well. And Eliah is sent by the owner of the life and the spirit, the one who can kill and can give lives back again. And is that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Elias accomplishes the words, and Elias justifies the words from the heaven of heaven. And it's by Eliah that the heaven of heaven will be shown. And that is the power from the beginning, the power in the era of Noah, and that will be more stronger. Glory be to that YAHVAH. That will be brought by Eliah, so that will be justified on this planet Earth, that there is the owner of this planet Earth, and it's Eliah who is sent to finish the taking revenge. Glory be to you, beloved Father YAHVAH. Glory be to you, my beloved YAHOSHUA. It's you, both of you, who sent me, so that I go according to your order, to your willness, that YAHVAH, your will, YAHOSHUA. I'm working what you have scheduled for me, myself, to take revenge for the declaration about you, both of you. Yeah, the wise see the danger and they take shelter and they come to you, but the fool keep going. Those things are said to prove that that Eliah has done his best to let them know about you. But it was like in your era, Yahushua. No one was listening to you. No one didn't care. Even you were dead. You were killed by them. Eliah you will not be killed, but to take revenge. Eliah is here to kill our enemies who were despising YAHVAH, who were underestimating the Holy Father of Israel, who was shown in Abraham, in Moshe, who was shown in Yahushua, and the declaration in Yahushua that you brought Yahushua, you shout your glory, and you resurrected Yahushua. Even they planned to kill it, you just gave the power of this manless on this planet Earth, and you let them do it, and they did it. They count the Christians, and they are worshiping in front of them, and they are really afraid of them, and they're really despising you, YAHVAH. It's time your revenge, the God of Abraham. It's time so that you will show your power, and there is no power which can go against your power about you. But it's time that you will show that you will lead Eliah. You will lead Eliah. The way of Eliah is led by you, so that you will show your power. It is more than what is already seen before, and so that you will be shown who is the real God. It's clear that you are the real God, but the others are the impostors who is deceiving this planet Earth. It's time now to let them know that you are the creation, you are the creators. If you have sent your son, your beloved son, to accomplish and to execute your order, that there is nothing if Yahushua wasn't there, but everything is made through him. Thank you very much, that YAHVAH and Yahushua. Humans are created by you, Yahushua. Humans are created by your words. Here, I am talking particularly to you, Yahushua. It's Eliah who is talking particularly to you, my beloved elder brother who sent me to accomplish your words and the revenge, because we must take revenge according to your words, and it is in Eliah, and I am accepting your revenge, and I am waiting for that to do that till the end, because Eliah must do the work till the end, and the way that must be gone, and that must be justified. To glory be to that YAHVAH, and to glory of your name, Yahushua. I'm talking particularly to you, my elder brother, Yahushua, my beloved Yahushua. It's time for you today. I exalt my words to that YAHVAH that I am saying to you, Yahushua, so that you will be on the feet of that YAHVAH, so that YAHVAH will listen to that, so that you will listen to the asking of you, Eliah. It will be stronger. What will happen here? It will get harder. Humans will not support it. Their men will not support what will happen to them, because no one will support it. They will not expect it. It's like what was happening, the earthquake in Germany. But it's better. It's harder. What will happen? They will not support it. No one will have nothing to do anymore. Even to flee, they cannot do it anymore. That's why I'm saying to you, particularly that YAHVAH, through YAHOSHUA, listen to Eliah. I'm working hardly for you. We don't have anything to do anymore, but only to accomplish your work, for the taking revenge. Here I am today, talking to you particularly. Your glory, your power, from you, that YAHVAH, that you gave to YAHOSHUA, because everything is given to YAHOSHUA. So I'm talking particularly to you, YAHOSHUA. It's you who created this human. It's you who created them and gives them life, because they're created by the dust. It's you who know how to take care of them. Then you know how to take care of their blood, their heart beaten, their mind, their sight. You know what makes a relation between their internal organs. You know everything, how to see what happened in their body, and it creates a problem to their body. And you know these people who is worshiping in front of you, you can see with your eyes. Even the doctor cannot see. There is nothing that you cannot see, that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. I must tell your name, that YAHVAH, because everything is from you. And it is from you, the life and the spirit. So it's clear that you must be called by Eliah. Even if I am talking particularly to YAHOSHUA, even you were one, and it's not a problem for you. Glory be to both of you forever. So I emphasize my words, YAHOSHUA. It's time of praying, a hidden praying. For those who are listening, I have ordered the death from I am begging. So those who are hearing you, there is no death will strike them anymore. And I have given your order from you. I have ordered them. Those who are hearing me today, there is no power to death anymore. I ordered that they will not die. For today, the death will strike people. Even tomorrow, the death will not strike them. So it's the healing that you are going to give them, so that they will be alive and they will come to you if they are not in your kingdom, YAHOSHUA. But if they are your small lambs, your Son of the Most High, that will emphasize their happiness in you. If they are asking you to help you, and you will heal them. It's really famous the disease at the moment. There is a corona. There is a disease that we don't know. Even this is what will be shown. Even humans don't know where does it come from. You don't know anymore. YAHOSHUA, I'm not talking about that, because I have talked about the part that there is nothing can be done. But today I'm talking to you. I am asking to you, listen to the prayers of Eliah, that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. I am asking to you to open the power from you, so that you will pour it into Eliah, the power to order all powers and authority to bring your suffering, whatever and whoever and wherever does it come from. It's the destruction from the heaven and from you, that Eliah is asking to you. So listen to Eliah, Dad, my beloved Dad YAHVAH, in your name, YAHOSHUA. Listen to Eliah. Open the heaven of heaven where you are. Pour the power, all the power in Elia to show your power. Pour it into anyone, everyone, to destroy and to burn, to heal, as Elia is sent from the beginning. But it's not the burning fire to burn in humans, but to burn the illness and to destroy all devils, sabotage. That, beloved, that YAHVAH, you have listened to me from the beginning, and you sent me here, and you are listening to me forever, and don't stop listening to me, that YAHVAH. Respond my prayer. All illness that cannot be healed by medicines, and there is no solution anymore, I'm asking to you, those are the illnesses striking people, whoever who are listening to me, my beloved Father YAHVAH. People know you through the God of Abraham, that you sent Moshe, your son, your beloved son, and now you are sending Elia. Show your glory to everyone and everything, to desolate all illnesses. Pour that to be your glory, your holy name, and so that everyone will feel that, everyone, each of them, so that they will know that you are the real God. It's not through the power, through healing, to know your power, but that is the least thing. But it's another thing that you will show, that it's like a gift that you will do that. But I'm asking that to show your power, because it is a program that you settle, YAHOSHUA. That's why Elia is asking to you, heal everything, heal every sickness, destroy those sickness. And the moment I am speaking, that is begin, and after these prayers they will be healed. After 1 hour, after 3 hours, after 5 hours they will be healed, and after 8 hours they will be healed, and to some people they will be healed tomorrow. That is to be shown your glory, and you will show your glory through Elia, to show your glory. And once you heal people, there is no illnesses will be able to come back. But once you heal one, the illnesses cannot come back anymore. That is Elia that you sent, beloved Father YAHVAH. But if another thing, that must come back down. But if the thing that is said for today, that cannot be back anymore, that is a sign of your glory and your power, that YAHVAH, and your sign, YAHOSHUA, so that they will come back to you, that it's Him who is created. If there is a healing, it is already from Him and always in Him. That is a power from you. If it is in Elia, it is a power from you. If it will be shown in the people who are receiving them. Elia will not speak for a long moment. It's enough. So it's up to you, YAHOSHUA, to justify what Elia has said. It's up to you, that YAHVAH, to justify your existence, that you exist. Prove what Elia has said, that those are from you, beloved Father YAHVAH. That is from you, YAHOSHUA. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, both of you. Elia thanks you. Glory be to you forever. How beautiful, how handsome you were. Your glory, that YAHVAH. You are in the heaven of heaven above. I exalt you. And above and above. Elia never stop to glorify you. How it is so radiant. You are so radiant. You are so wonderful and beautiful. Thank you very much with the fans what you have done. It's a goodness for those who love you, but bad things for those who hate you. That YAHVAH, beloved that YAHVAH, glory be to you. You are so good and so wonderful. You are really radiant in your glory, a fire around you, a fire in you. You are a God, burning fire God. Thank you very much, that YAHVAH. Thank you very much, YAHOSHUAH. Glory be to you, beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. Thank you very much, YAHOSHUAH. I exalt you as well, YAHOSHUAH. You are the Son of the Most High. Thank you very much. Look at the people who are looking for you, who are wishing you. I wish that you were beside them and will say to them that, don't worry, I am alive. And I am talking to you through Elia. I am the tool so that you can talk to everyone. YAHOSHUAH, touch everyone, touch their heart so that they will know that you are true, you exist. It's not a joke, your words. Justify your words, beloved Father YAHVAH. Glory be to both of you forever. In your name, YAHOSHUAH, that I make that prayer. Hallelujah. Amen. So that is our moment for today. Before ending it, let's play the song ZHYAH. Don't be late. That is dedicated only for that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. Let's give it to YAHOSHUAH so that they will always remember that we are waiting and we cannot wait anymore to go back home. That is for me, but I don't know for you. But I really tell you straightly that I don't want to stay here anymore. But for those who want to stay here, it's only for you. So support what will happen. That doesn't mean that Elia will not face what will happen. We will face it there. Everything will be quickened. So we are going to play the song ZHYAH. Don't be late. We gave it. I gave it. Elia gives it to beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. So play it, but don't cut the song. Elia is still here.
If I make you one kaki now, I said in was a man down. Bilang no katiru YAHOSHUAH. Bilang no it is anjino, kazabe and yo. Batari tu susula faga, fino YAHOSHUAH. Della vicino azadinu iti malalano amagakino amina ni vatana if I day is Santa Child second night，发现天涯路遥无说，你发放的着，发起下让你来飞加放弃，要么 feel 你呢，加入爱里弄，发飞机嘛就呀自加入，发起你大名弄，卡着背。Matahari tu susu la faga Fino YAHOSHUAH Azayen Kuwaza dinuwa Fana de la bichono Azadinu Iti malala no Amagakyo no Hamina ni fatana If I day is Santa Child, Yasaramo YAHOSHUAH, I'm yanking a cool. Like young took a night and go away. YAHOSHUAH, Malala cool. Till I reach a lonely fool to sing for night.
Glory be to beloved Father YAHVAH. Can you hear? Don't put a song. I'm just speaking. Glory be to beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. What we have done. Elia will give you a song. So what song I will give you here? Listen it to your heart. Look at how YAHOSHUAH loves us. So everyone listen to it. So we'll give it to you. I need you. The song I need you. So technician, play that song I need you. That YAHOSHUAH, I need you. That's what it means. I really look for you, YAHOSHUAH. Humans, it's better to come to YAHOSHUAH. Those things are happening that you are not the owner of your that event. There is our Creator. So it's better to come back to Him. What is happening, it will make you conscious. So come back to your Creators. YAHOSHUAH is His name. So let's follow the song I Need You. Play it, technician. Glory be to that YAHVAH for that song. So I give that particularly to my beloved Father YAHVAH and YAH.
Fama finalitano Rama sumawini Timbawa dinukyu Mami lu Jono YAHOSHUAH Life tiaba lo timatu valiku Kaza manai Yo no amu isa kunyak Faza wefana 你撒个你马屁，你让那拉子空把无爱，在地路归着你满着马街东铺，妈咪路就诺呀我说啊，来飞家吧罗子买就把礼物干怎么来？有梦路啊木为啥姑娘发烧外烦恼 I love you 要我说 I need you 稍微烦恼 I love you 要我说 I need you I love you 要我说 I need you 稍微烦恼 I love you 要我说 I need you
Well, let's see from the celebration songs. I wish you, because it's really hard what he endured to show his love to you. Think that he endured all strikes, a pinch in his mouth was crushed. He was worsened. Even he is the real God. He is the real Savior. That's what people did. He showed his love, and it's always bad things which is shown. I wish that you will not do that. You will come back to your Creator. It's Yahushua, only preached by ZHYAH, his younger brother. It's better to come back to him. It's really hard that he bowed, so respect that. Let's come back to him. So let's listen to the next song. Let's give it to Yahushua. It's always Elia who gives it and offers it to Yahushua. I accept to get along with Yahushua. Listen to the subtitle and accept to get along with Yahushua. Let's follow Yahushua. It's really bad. What is happening? There is no solution. I have said to you, humans, no solutions. You waste your time fighting that. Elia advises you it's better to fight to get into the heaven of heavens to save your spirit, but all words of that YAHVAH are accomplished. It's better to come back to Yahushua. The song I accept, I give it to my beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua. And I wish that you who are listening to me, you who are hearing me, you will follow the song and put in your heart that Yahushua, I accept as well that I will get along with you. I will be beside you. Okay, play technician.
关你在，暗过承诺的人，一推将你让我有压力怒马扎人，让过去在这飞浪里怒负，爱发爱苦发加速爱，我图个苦完后热里你复古的人，发起过烈焰闹。
If you have listened to that song, you really see that that is to show the love to Yahushua. You always accept to be beside Yahushua. Don't be far away anymore. I really love to say to you, be conscious, people. If you know what will happen to you, you will not go against to these creators, because you don't know about him. That's why you are stubborn. What is happening in India, because we are in India at the moment. People are worrying about the earthquake in Birmania, because we are in New Delhi. Me and my wife here is it the shock of the earthquake from Birmania, and they're surprised. It was in Birmania, and there is repercussion in India. And till now, there is a season, a shaking in Burma and in Thailand and China. In Nepal, there was yesterday. It was a minus value. There is a sign that your earth is not in peace anymore. Elia knows about that. Elia knows what is the reason. But the one who does it is that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. What is happening? I really know that. I will not explain that to you. But that is it for beloved that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Even I know. This is the reason that it will strike you. But I really know. And I can explain in details. But you will not listen to and you don't care. And I am not interested in telling it to you. But I have given you a hint that that will happen. It is happening. The temperature is increased below your feet. Trees or burned cars are burned. Maybe 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I said to you that you will see a burning fire. It will be increased. The temperature of the earth, the forests are burned. And I have said to you, it will not stop. And here it is. How to say that in Malagasy? The ice in South Pole and North Pole, it is melt. The temperature of the sea is increased. We see that a cyclone that we don't know how is it. There is a cyclone on the street. It is because of the warm up. All volcanoes are going to explode. And Elia has said and has given a word there from beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. All volcanoes, they're going to be exploded. And I have said don't try to check that because it's not time to go against the words of Elia. I advise you. We see what is happening at the moment. The temperature is getting warmer. That's why those who are protecting the environment, how to fix it, Elia advises you. Will you fight against the creators? It's the creators who are doing it. I have said, and there is no solution anymore. That's why I said, let's ask to YAHOSHUA. YAHOSHUA, shower me with your love. Shower me. Let me be in you. Not this world will shower me. I prefer it's you who will shower me with your words, with your happiness. Shower me with your happiness and let me be happy with you. Even if I am poor, I have nothing. Even if you have anything in your hand, if you have something in your hand, don't trust it anymore because you cannot take anything here anymore. It's better to come back to YAHOSHUA as long as there is time. So I asked to technician the sang shower. I gave it particularly to beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. It's Elia who gives that. So everyone at home, listen to it well. Play technician.
I give you my soul now, take me further. Building the fire, fire, YAHOSHUA. Down on my feet, as I'm in land, fire. Caída na savana, outono e eu YAHOSHUA. Mamira pira de tunjai, tunjani faço ava não tunjai, fitiava na marubeza tunjai, atarana ti se fecha, a mamina ti se farana. Tunjani faço ava não tunjai, fitiava na marubeza tunjai, atarana ti se fecha, a mamina ti se farana. Tunjai matuki safati safaka mecha, la fiti e fa awan pumi twecha. Se was una fanala, fa ovo taku na fanan. Hadeti usava bona, ilai sava puarino ajina rizuki, suki YAHOSHUA befitia. Caída na savana, outono e eu YAHOSHUA. Mamira pira de tunjai, tunjani faço ava não tunjai, fitiava na marubeza tunjai, atarana ti se fecha, a mamina ti se farana. Tunjani faço ava não tunjai, fitiava na marubeza tunjai, atarana ti se fecha, a mamina ti se farana.
So we thank that to the technician for that song celebration and glorification. It is titled as Shower. It's really good, that celebration and glorification, and we can really say it's really good. So the next song, and I ended the song with the title Hinuk, I believe, and don't be among those who don't believe. Work through your belief and believe. May the faith of YAHOSHUA will lead you. I wish you to be with YAHOSHUA, to hold hand one another with YAHOSHUA, the real one who really loves you, the real one who died on the cross, who shouted, "Dad forgives them, but they don't know what to do." It's YAHOSHUA, his real name. It's only him who was there. There was no one. The other names that doesn't exist. That is a name created to kill people so that he will not see the truth. Come back to Yahushua. It's only him who called, forgives them, but they don't know what to do. But the more worst, people are killing him. They don't know it, but it's really sad. Unfortunately, they are not conscious. Maybe it's you who will be conscious that I am Yahushua. I am not included for the one who do that. I am with you. I believe you. I will not end it, but I want to give a song for Yahushua and let him be happy because of the pains he endured. Let me give thanks to Yahushua, and it's only for Elia giving it to Yahushua. So those who are really loving Yahushua, they are with Elia here. They are with Elia here, giving in the song to Yahushua. So those who are sleeping, they don't care. So if they don't care, let them it. Don't you? Can't you stay here just for a hour with Yahushua? Yeah, it's Elia who is giving it to Yahushua, but you are just following me. A song with the title, I Still Love You. Yahushua, we still love you. We will never give up on you. We will stand firm till the end. It's Yahushua, the owner of the song. Even if he endured pains and harder, he said, I still love. Even all the creations from the heavens say that it's not okay anymore, Yahushua. It's you who is the owner of the power, and do you accept this? Why don't you stop it and you will punish it? But Yahushua said, let me finish my work, but I still love. I really accept your love, Yahushua. Really. Even I am learning from you because if I will be like you, I will take revenge, because you're really sad about the spirit who will be lost, and you endured it. I give it that song and I say my words to you. I am really sad to you, Yahushua, and I give you the song with the title, I Still Love You. Okay, play, technician.
Media mirifir ang zombo na tifera na kunitaray. If impir Rachai no devo yeli chiariku Latan Nambula rivu chami fufu Urambe mi vacha Sasai kanai tite ranas Dera walati ko andavak Yahoshua no yisin tonight Famato chiasi o matumbola mi turo Fino quasi matuzumbola tamam Yahoshua no pinga yeti kumi russo Anyami nile fazava Izombola tia Tia no malale Chang, YAHOSHUAH des only for vitasage. Irovisa chalantek, usekeku YAHOSHUAH fazati tarai. Nirifiri usekeku, namavisa chalanteku, fifa aiku, rosu ifa mianjiai. Ain't a very cute fatia, diam no YAHOSHUAH. Formato chiasi o matumbula mi turo, fino quasi matu zombula tama. YAHOSHUAH no pinga yeti kumi russo, amami nile fazava.
Yeah, we thank to the technician to play that song, and it's Elia who gave it to YAHOSHUAH. It's so clear. You see that the song saying that I still love you. YAHOSHUAH really loves. There is no one has a stronger love like him. The people who hate him, that he will save, that's really impossible. And someone was dead for the bad people, that's really impossible. But that's what YAHOSHUAH did. It's you who should be on the cross, but it's him who accepted to be dead on the cross according to you. I am just saying that as a human, but I am not a human like you. And there is someone who is astonished that why aren't you a human? It's like YAHOSHUAH. YAHOSHUAH is not a human, but he just took a human shape so that he can save you. But when he died, he was returned. He was returned to his form in the heaven of heaven. Even Maria didn't know him in his new faces and in his initial that he wasn't recognized. He said, look at my hand, look at my wound. He said that to his disciples. That's why I say to you, those who are from the heaven of heaven, they have their own face. And it's like that Elia. Elia is from the heaven of heaven. Elia really knows about YAHOSHUAH and beloved Father YAHVAH. That's why I'm teaching you. It's like this, like that. What is in the heaven of heaven? It's like this. How to create this thing. That's why I said to scientists that it's one universe. but I really say that universe is uncountable. You cannot count. Even how powerful it is, beloved Father YAHVAH, it's just one universe that He created, just with one galaxy. No. The truth is that YAHVAH is so powerful, and Elia already knows about Him, and it's normal that when He sent His love, and if you don't listen to, it's normal that you will be struck, because it's been a long time that save your spirit, save your way, save yourself to come to YAHOSHUA. But if you don't want to come to Him, you'll be struck. Even you're thinking that if there is someone who is still doing bad things, the gentleman, the police officer will strike you. And we have done bad things. We have done good things to you, and we are satisfied. That's why this danger. Come back to YAHOSHUA. He's the real God who created you. He's the one who said never sin. Come back to Him. Your way will be difficult. So let's give a song. It's Elia who is giving the song. Have we played the song Umeku? Okay, let's play that song Umeku, give. Let's give it to YAHOSHUA. Mainly you who are healed by YAHOSHUA, go and say to YAHOSHUA, I will give you my life, YAHOSHUA. I will give you my story. I will give you my way. Everything about me, I will give you. Even you have seen what is happening on this planet Earth. Everyone sees it. And this world is discouraged. How to deal with this? Because what they will do it, you are on the earth, and what is striking you, it is below. And that's what it is said in the Holy Script. Those who are climbing, they will be destroyed. Those who are snaring, they will be destroyed. It's better to give your life to YAHOSHUA. Children, let's go to YAHOSHUA. So let's Elia gives it particularly to YAHOSHUA. Gives your heart to YAHOSHUA, you who are following and listening to me. Play technician to YAHOSHUA.
YAHOSHUAH Saya favunani ampanau Kain tiyo irawa wana Ramona misile noku Tifuna na weso desa Natang tira kain sai Ampano pinoai Ramona misile YAHOSHUAH Saya favunani ampanau Kain tiyo irawa wana Timbulu me wana Isai cita jabino Umeku wano YAHOSHUAH Timbulu me wana Afugwana wachani yai Umeku wano YAHOSHUAH
That's it. We give to Yahushua all about you. That's really wonderful. Give it to Yahushua. Don't you prefer to give your life to Yahushua? You who have done your bad sin. No one couldn't take you away from your sin. Why don't you give it to Yahushua for this last time? It's really difficult to your planet is staggered. Stay in a place that is staggering and see what is happening. Even your house you were leaning on, it will be destroyed. And it's the all lands are shaking. That's a great earthquakes. A shaking of the land, because the earth is burned up. I have given you the words in Isaiah chapter 24 verse 6. It means that the earth is burned, because time for that YAHOSHUA taken their revenge, because it's been a long time that he has called you, and it's better that they are taking revenge. Don't you prefer to come back to YAHOSHUA? Tomorrow, schedule your program, come to the Holy Assembly in the Church of YAHOSHUA. So for the evangelist in the province, broadcast your address. But for the others that there is no radio, it is waiting for Elias program. And to give to YAHOSHUA is to their mind. We will not let him be in vain. Don't let the love of YAHOSHUA in vain. Make your goal to your wife in YAHOSHUA. It's Elia who is talking to you. What is happening? No one has said that. Even I am, because I am beside my beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA who created me. If I am talking to you, I know them. I know those who send me. That's why I destroy this impostor, fake God, killing people and throwing people to hell. Be conscious. It's a love that we are coming into you. No one wished to come here. It's only the devil who don't love our arrival here, because they know that when we are here, we are washing people away from sin. And it's the devil who doesn't like devil, and I don't need them to love me. But it's you who should love me, you human. It's human who should love me. Those who want to be saved love Elia. But if you don't want to be saved, don't love me. You are not appointed. I am not appointed for you, but for those who will come back to ask. That's why Serena is singing the song, because he really knows YAHOSHUA, and I really know YAHOSHUA. But it's the people who don't know YAHOSHUA, they are despising YAHOSHUA. That's why we are calling you, because this mindless make you a blind. But if you don't want to listen to, take the result, take the consequences. The key is with Elia. So come to Elia if you want to be taken away from your danger. But you will not be taken away anymore because you don't care about. Let's give this song to YAHOSHUA. It's Elia who is giving it, but you are supporting me. The song with the title will not be in vain. And it's really wonderful, this song. I gave you all about me, YAHOSHUA. I will not let in vain what I have endured. It's your blood. It's so wonderful. And put that in your heart who are listening to us now. Don't forget to get along with YAHOSHUA. Put it in our heart. Let's play this last song and we will end it and we will continue tomorrow. Let's play this song. Come to Yahushua. For you already in Yahushua, continue your rest. Always get aside to Yahushua. Don't be tired who are running. Those who are led by Eliah to run, never be discouraged. The devil who has struck you, let them be ashamed. If Eliah said, run, you can do it. You can run, you can respond. So, do it. Don't accept till the end. Everyone, respond it and run. Don't accept it. Yahushua will bless those who are deserved. And that is the end of our moment. When it is finished the song, we stop the program and we will come to the Holy Kingdom of Yahushua tomorrow. Those who are wishing, come there. It's in Abuja Pit, those who are in Antananarivo, and for those who are in the province, you will hear it from the radio. So I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua for the words and all declaration that you have listened to. We will do it particularly to Yahushua. The song come, and you come to Yahushua. Yahushua bless all of you. See you tomorrow. And this song that I say you a goodbye. Yahushua bless you.
Yahushua no me fiana bovo Matuki me fali nawu Sanjini malala nawu Easy light anya suantuka Anujina no ni wavina Azavela rati chachi lai tanzuno Azavela isanaka nani lalano ZHYAH la sachubu ni naicho Manja piavi nilani chin nilani cha Manantu na ye yalo Mia via zade zao Manja su azamanai fa Yahushua anja you know Manantu na ye yalo Lai tanzuno Azavela isanaka nani lalano ZHYAH la sachubu ni naicho Manja piavi nilani chin nilani cha Manantu na ye yalo Mia via zade zao Manja su azamanai fa Yahushua anja you know
tongava mivavaka raha mipitso